If you are seeing this video, let me tell you that this is the start of something great, a something truly great thing, and that is the aerospace industry in India. Well, we have big companies like Tata Aerospace, HAL, which are quite good when it comes to manufacture certain things, and we are still lagging behind in certain aspects. But I don't want to go there. I want to start from the first and a single thing. I want to teach aerospace, like how aircrafts work, how we can build them. I want you guys to design it. This is the first video in this series. The aim is to learn maths and science while working on projects related to aerospace. I love aircrafts. I do. This tech is something which I truly find fascinating. I want to share it with you all. One day, India can become the front forerunner in the aerospace tech. Things like UAV, wingman, drones are the future. We have to work on them. People are already learning coding, UI, digital marketing. But I want to develop a niche. I want to work on a niche and to create a community of students and people who can design, develop aircrafts which can be used by India in future or the world. Who knows that we can create the best UAV tech in the whole world and we can export it to anyone in. So this is the thing. I hope in the upcoming days you are going to see what I am up to. We will start slow, but we will start extremely fast. We will work all the way up to fighter jets in terms of discussing its design and technology. So yeah, as you can see on screen, this is certain some of the thing which we are going to work in future. And this is my first video in this series. And hopefully I can post these videos and these things online nearly every week or maybe each day. The thing seems quite gigantic to tackle, but I am hopeful because this is something which I can say I was truly born for. So let's buckle up your belts. Time to design your first aircraft. Bye bye.